Is the Maricopa County Superior Court open? Hi, I'm attorney Scott David Stewart. Over the last several weeks, we've been getting a lot of questions, and two of the most common questions have to do with whether or not the Superior Court is open, and then how any closure is going to impact individual cases. So ever since Governor Ducey issued his stay-at-home order a couple of days ago, the Superior Court has been reviewing their procedures, and they've issued a couple of administrative orders. And for family court, they are going to remain open on a very limited basis. For in-person hearings, they're open for orders of protections, and they're open for temporary emergency motions, and those can be filed and handled at the downtown Superior Court. Most of the satellite court offices are going to be closed to the public. However, before you head out downtown, make sure you check the most recent updates from the Superior Court so that you make sure that you're going to the correct location. Now, they're going to be open on a limited basis for those two proceedings. However, the individual judges or the divisions of the courthouse, they will remain open at their discretion for limited hearings that will be conducted over the telephone. Some of those are going to be routine status conferences. They may have a resolution management conference. It's really going to depend on the individual judge on how they want to proceed. Some judges may just what we call vacate or cancel all the current court settings and push them out to some date in the future, whether that's 1 or 2 months down the road. So as you can see, this is going to have a tremendous impact on individual cases. And that's the second most common question that we've been getting. How is this going to impact my case? And potentially it may have a rather large impact, but our advice is that you continue to move forward with your case, because at some point in the future, the court is going to need to reschedule all these hearings that they have just canceled. And if you don't continue to move your case forward, you're going to get stuck in that line. And so you're going to end up having your case pushed back 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 months. However, if you keep moving your case forward, if you keep looking at alternative dispute resolution options, we can look to try to get private mediators. Some of those can be conducted over the phone using a Zoom conference. We've already done a couple of those. So there are several things that we can do to keep your case on track. The most important thing is that you stay in touch with your attorney, stay in touch with your legal staff, continue to gather discovery documents, doing everything that you can do within your power so that when the courts come back online and they're 100% ready to go, your case has not been stagnating. And we can also, if your case has come to a final resolution, we can draft parenting plans, we can draft consent decrees, we can do everything else that needs to be done and get a final decree ordered and get that signed as well. So while the courts are operating on a limited basis, the law firm is still open and still working on your behalf. If you need an in-person appointment, those are available, but our office hours are reduced, and so we need you to schedule an appointment before just showing up at the office. Otherwise, just get in touch with your attorney or paralegal, and they can get you scheduled for a phone call. And if you have any questions at all or need any assistance at this time, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.